Hey there, content creators and future online entrepreneurs. Are you ready to transform your AI-generated content into a goldmine? That's right. Today I'm going to reveal the ultimate secrets of monetizing ChatGPT generated content and creating a widely successful income stream. ChatGPT is an incredible AI language model developed by OpenAI, and its potential for content creation is simply mind-blowing. Let's jump into that. Producing and selling ebooks or digital products that your audience will crave. Ready to tap into the booming market of ebooks and digital products? You are in the right place. By using ChatGPT generated content to create mesmerizing ebooks or other digital products, you can generate a new revenue stream while sharing your valuable content and knowledge with your audience. Let's explore the exhilarating process of creating, formatting, publishing, and selling ebooks or digital products that your audience simply won't be able to resist. First, brainstorm topics for your ebook or digital products that aligns with your niche and addresses a burning need or a pain point for your target audience. The juicier the topic, the more your audience will crave it. Next, unleash the power of ChatGPT to generate content for your ebook or digital product. Provide detailed prompts and guidelines to ensure the AI produces high quality, informative, and downright addictive material. Now, it's time to organize and format your content. Break it down into chapters, sections, or modules, and consider adding eye-catching visuals or interactive elements to enhance its appeal. Use an ebook creation tool like Kindle Create or Vellum to ensure your ebook is formatted professionally and compatible with various e-reader devices. Once your ebook or digital product is polished to perfection, you are ready to publish and sell it. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or Payhip make it a breeze to publish and sell your digital products. Set a competitive price that reflects the incredible value of your content, and don't forget to consider the fees associated with your chosen platform. Finally, it's time to market your ebook or digital products like there is no tomorrow. Utilize social media, email marketing, collaborations, or paid ads to spread the word about your offering. Consider offering free samples, limited time promotions, or hosting a virtual launch event to generate buzz and attract potential customers. By producing and selling ebooks or digital products, you can create a new revenue stream from your ChatGPT generated content while sharing valuable knowledge with your audience. Trust me, folks, the sky is the limit. Okay, well, my friends, we've explored some truly game-changing strategies for monetizing your ChatGPT generated content. But wait, there is more. Are you ready to revolutionize your content production and take your social media marketing to a whole new level? Then you won't want to miss our next video. Until next time, happy content creating, and remember, with ChatGPT and the right strategies, your content business is destined for greatness. See you in the next video.